Need to clear your cache and delete cookies in Google Chrome to fix loading issues or protect your privacy? Here's how to quickly clear your browsing data in just a few simple steps. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner of your browser window. Click on Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security. Here, click on Delete Browsing Data. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl-Shift-Delete on your keyboard to open this menu instantly. A pop-up window will appear. Click the Time Range drop-down menu and select All Time to clear everything. Next, make sure to check the boxes next to Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Finally, click the Delete Data button at the bottom right. Chrome will take a few moments to clear your cached files and cookies, refreshing your browser. If this quick Chrome tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech guides.